A little something about Raymond. He's an investor in stocks and rentals. He wants no money from you, no bait and switch, nothing. Here's what he's going to do. He's going to log into his personal account, share real estate property documents, and give you suggestions on what to read.
All right. Check-in time. We're going to log into my Fidelity GM 401k and see what the status is. Making money or losing money? So let's get in here. Hopefully you guys are having a good trading day. I'm going to say I'm neutral today. Didn't win, didn't lose. I still got my shirt. And hopefully you guys are doing well. I hope you guys are doing better than me. All right, so we are in, and let's go to my GM 401k. Let's get all the way in. And current balance as of yesterday, 10/14, and the day is 10/15, so one day ago. $65,080.77. And year to date, I am still in the red, negative 7.72. And let's compare this 65,000 to where we were last 2 weeks ago. So stocks and rentals. Let's go to portfolio tracking. And I know I updated you guys 2 weeks ago. So let's find the GM 401k right here. September 30. So on September 30, I was at 63,341 and 10 cents. And the difference is a positive $1,739.67. So in 2 weeks, passive income, snoring income, the best income to make. I can actually be doing something else, getting my hustle on, and this is a hustle I don't have to pay attention to because I am in the stock market. And if you're a long-term investor, that stock market hustle will pay off. So I was digging around in my 401k account, and I always encourage you guys, click on stuff. Just click on it and see what it says. You're going to learn a lot, and you're going to have a lot of moments where you're saying, man, I didn't know that was there, or I didn't know how that worked. So what I want to do is go to investments. I want to show you something that had me scratching my head, and I want you guys to look out for it. So we're at investments, and right here at the top, these are the 6 funds that I'm invested in. So majority of them are stock, and I have this one bond fund. And if you look over here to the balance, my money is pretty much in the top 3. So I have a little over 32,000, over 16,000 here, and over 16,000 here. The bottom 3 is just really nothing. It should be 0, but I got a couple of cents left over. 5 cents, 3 cents, and 1 cent. So we're just going to concentrate on the top 3. And really, we really want to look at the top 1. So this says U.S. Debt Index. And I want to go to cumulative returns. So let's click here. We're going to scroll down here and do the same thing. That way we're apples to apples. I have to be apples to apples to show you what I want to show you. So let's go back up here. And the debt index fund that I'm in, year to date, so from January 1st up to 10/14, I've made 0.74% profit. So that's not even 1%. And again, remember this, U.S. debt index. So let's scroll down here. And this is the total of the 27 investment choices that a GM 401k has. So the 6 that I have up here are some of the 27 that I can choose here. So let's find the same fund. So let's scroll. So here it is. Same thing. U.S. debt index. And we want to look at this number here, 6.97%. So what is this number, 6.97%? Let's scroll up and stay in the same column. And it says year to date. So why does the fund have a year to date of 6.97, but my year to date is not even 1%. So let's go back up here. I don't even have 1%. So I was saying, wait a minute, Fidelity, is Fidelity still in my money? I should have a bigger profit. And here you go. What I try to tell you guys to do, start clicking and reading. So I went to this question mark and it says the cumulative return shows how much your investments grew or declined in total over the defined period. So the key words here are how much your investments. So how much did Raymond's investments grow or decline? So the reason I'm at 0.74% is that I was not in this fund from the very beginning of the year, which would be January 1st. I just put money into this fund maybe several months ago. So since I didn't start this fund January 1st to get all the profit starting from the first of the year, I'm at a lower percentage, 0.74%. So when you go down here and look at all the investments and you decide to look at year to date, this is truly from January 1st up until this column where they have all the dates. So going back to the debt index, since I was not in this fund from January 1st, I don't get that almost 7%. I only get the percentage from the time I was invested in the fund. And if I just threw out a guess, I'm thinking I've been in that fund for maybe 3 to 4 months. So that's why I don't have that number. So just be aware of that. Don't think that Fidelity is stealing your money or something, because that's what I thought. And when I got them on the phone, they confirmed that my thoughts were correct and I was on the right page in terms of what was going on. So anyway, that's just something to learn, look out for, and be aware of. Stocks and rentals. Come to the site, check it out. A lot of good articles, videos, articles to read, real estate. All right, peace.